As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills. The Grill2Go X200, BOOBFPMLI8, and the Medallion Series Vista, B0BHKH66VG. Big difference in size, huh?
Totally. The Grill2Go is this little portable thing, only about 20 pounds. The Vista, though, is a full-blown outdoor kitchen, weighing in at over 200 pounds.
Yeah, portability is a big factor for me. The Grill2Go seems perfect for camping or tailgating. What about cooking area?
Grill2Go has a cooking surface of 200 square inches. The Vista, because it's a beast, boasts a whopping 680 square inches. Plus, it's a grill and griddle combo.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So the Vista is better for big parties then?
Absolutely. Think burgers, steaks, even pizza. It even includes a pizza stone. The Grill2Go is more for smaller groups and on-the-go grilling.
Okay, makes sense. What about the burners?
Both use propane and have amplifier technology, so flare-ups should be minimal. The Grill2Go has a single 9,500 BTU burner. The Vista's wattage is listed at 13,478.
So both claim to cook food evenly. Is one easier to clean than the other?
The Grill2Go has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are supposed to be rust-resistant and easy to clean. The Vista has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are known for holding heat well, but cast iron can require a bit more maintenance.
Ah, good to know. Any other cool features on the Vista?
Oh yeah, it has a side cabinet with a spice rack and storage, side shelves with tool hooks, and even a front cabinet with a trash can. It's really designed for entertaining.
Seems like a fully featured outdoor cooking station. I guess it depends on what you need.
Exactly. If you want something compact and portable, the Grill2Go is the way to go. If you're looking to create a complete outdoor cooking experience and have the space, the Vista is awesome.
One last thing. Are they both available?
The Grill2Go is in stock, but the Vista is currently unavailable, so that might make your decision for you.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.